Good morning, YouTube. Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP. We're going to be doing a market update, so that's going to be including Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, as well as the S&P 500. We're also then going to be talking about a few different articles about XRP and the SEC. We have one article talking about how still young crypto industry could grow stronger if the SEC allows it to thrive. Then we have another article which is basically talking about how XRP holders, some of them are actually suing Apple for fraud and negligence. Quite interesting. Something that definitely we should all be aware of. I feel like I've seen this article pop up a few times, but I didn't actually read it. And it's definitely worth the read, so I want to share that with you guys as well. Also, we are still doing our crypto coin display giveaway. We're going to be doing the drawing today, so definitely stay tuned as I will be doing it, in a few seconds. Otherwise, I want to give a huge shout out to HoldX, which is a fintech and DeFi crypto project. I want to give a huge shout out to them for sponsoring today's episode. More information will be about them at the end of today's video, so definitely stick around for that. Otherwise, if you are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's jump into today's episode. So as you guys know, the past couple of weeks, we've been giving away one of these crypto coin display giveaways every Sunday. And, today it just so happens to be Sunday. So we are going to be giving one of these away as well. As you guys know, how I do the drawing is by picking the most viewed video in the past week, choosing one of the comments from there, and then giving it away at random. So you can see here, I chose this video. I know it goes a little more brief, but if you just look at last week's highest viewed video, you'll know which one I'm referring to. Or if you just look up this URL, I then filtered duplicate users. We had over 140 unique comments, not double comments, and the winner for this week's giveaway is Michael Murphy, who did what was supposed to be done, is commenting their favorite crypto, which is XRP, and commenting subscribed. So he won the giveaway. So Michael Murphy, if you're out there and watching, definitely make sure to send me an email at cryptotvofficial@gmail.com. Send me proof that this is your YouTube username, Michael Murphy, as well as sending me your address, your shipping address, and phone number so I can send this info all to you, or send the crypto coin display giveaway to you. More importantly, what we're going to be looking at in today's episode now is these recent articles that I find quite interesting that we need to go over and discuss. So to start, I want to look at this one really quickly, as I find this very interesting. So it talks about how still young crypto industry could grow stronger if SEC allows it to thrive. And I find this interesting. As you know, we made a video yesterday which did really well, talking about how XRP could be moving to upwards of, about $14.50, even $15, about a 1,300% rise in the next couple of months. If the SEC loses the case or settles outside of court, it would actually allow volume to take over XRP once again and allow this company to start thriving and moving up even higher. Basically saying that XRP is not a security would allow so much volume to come into the market, and so many people would start trading XRP now. And it would also be, relisted most likely on major exchanges as well, and just allowing to say that, okay, crypto cannot be affected directly by the SEC in regards to it being a security would be just a huge overall factor for the cryptocurrency space as a whole. I think it would have a major influence on the price. As we know, pretty much XRP has came to a halt since the SEC listing, and that's really the major key here, because back in 2017, there was a lot of major insight coming around for XRP, which allowed its price to actually shoot up all the way to levels as high as $3 because of the news and the media talking about SEC or talking about XRP, as well as their major partnerships and listings pretty much just helped shoot the price of XRP even higher. But since the lawsuit, they haven't been able to make any sort of progress moving forward. It's literally just came to a halt here. So you can see pretty much what exactly they're talking about. It says things are now going terribly wrong. The U.S. stands the very real chance of killing this business here by driving digital innovation overseas and ceding advancements to other countries, including communist China. Basically saying that if you start causing crazy regulations here, people are going to take their major companies and just leave and still advertise to the U.S. It's very easy to do so. But they then go on to discuss even more so things about the about XRP as a company. It says the people who created Ripple Labs learned this firsthand, or we'll go back even a little earlier. Contrast with the regulatory chaos surrounding the crypto. There are no set regulations. Agencies compete over turf debate with legal I do not know how to pronounce that. The SEC says it wants to protect the public from fraud, but it has done so through capricious enforcement actions that fail to protect innovators. So it says the lawsuit sent shockwaves through the digital currency business. Ripple was founded in 2012 and grew into one of the largest digital platforms, an innovator in cross-border payments involving crypto and currencies. The case stopped Ripple's domestic business in its tracks. Various crypto exchanges delisted XRP. Its value tanked. And as for the heart of XRP case, why is XRP a security? The SEC deems crypto, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, mere commodities and outside its jurisdiction, but XRP is considered a security, which is interesting. The rationale goes something like this. Ripple continues to use XRP to build out its platform. Ethereum network no longer uses Ether for financing. That makes XRP a security and Ether something else, the SEC says. Now, I'm no crypto expert, nor am I a securities lawyer, but in talking to both, it's pretty clear that the case has some holes. Other than missing disclosures where investor ripoff, there isn't any according to the SEC charges. Lawsuits claiming that the SEC has been capricious in its enforcement action, picking winners and losers without regard to the law, which we know in regards to Ethereum and so on and so forth. That Clayton, a longtime securities lawyer, wouldn't be the first governmental official to take advantage of this revolving door, as he left, I believe he left. The current chair, Gary Gensler, wants to crack down even harder than Clayton. One of these lawyers or representatives for the SEC actually left the SEC and joined a management company that invests in Ethereum. So the lawsuit also says Clayton's motivation for charging Ripple and not Ethereum may be personal. Since he left the SEC, he has become an advisor for One River Asset Management, which invests in Bitcoin and Ethereum's Ether currency. So very ironic how he doesn't want to press charges on these major cryptos and halt the price, but he'll charge XRP. Very interesting. The other article then states that XRP holders are suing Apple for fraud negligence. To summarize this, basically the Toast app, which people use to as a wallet to put their money into, actually someone made a duplicate of it, a very similar wallet, on the Apple Store and published this called Toast Up, I believe. They put this article out there, so two articles are actually out there, two applications are out there, the real one and this fake one, and people not really doing their homework invested in the fake one, put their money in, and then the app just disappeared. Toast Plus, it's called, and then took all the crypto. So definitely just do your research before putting tons of money into certain applications on the App Store. So they're suing Apple for not actually reviewing this, which is going to be a hard battle, but I understand. Now, more importantly, to dive into this, how exactly, so we know pretty much from this article in regards to XRP that the SEC is in some way putting XRP to a halt. So moving forward here, you can see overall the current coin market cap is pretty much just flatlined out. Top 10 cryptocurrencies are pretty much not doing anything. We're just kind of trading sideways for the most part, only down about 2%, but there is volume being left. Yesterday or 2 days ago, we were at like 2.17 trillion. Now we're at 2.11 trillion, which is ironic. But overall, the crypto market has pretty much just been trading flatlined. XRP, as you guys can see, we thought we maybe would see a little bit yesterday. We didn't really see anything yesterday. We've pretty much just been continuing this sideways pattern here. You can see we are trading good though, and we are getting our Bollinger Bands very tight here, which is just signifying that markets are slowly closing in. We've been trading flatlined out sideways for quite some time now. I honestly say since September 8th. So it's been about 11 days now of this sideways consolidation. And as you guys know, for the most part, consolidation usually ends in big volume. Markets are very volatile, and with XRP not being very volatile, it usually ends in volume coming into the market or leaving the market in a very rapid, aggressive way. So honestly, we have things set up. We have our plans set up in action. So for those that are new to the channel here that don't know what our plans are moving forward, is we've been waiting out this movement here. Most of you should know by now that I am a conservative trader on the channel. So I like to wait for almost guaranteed methods to buy into crypto that really minimize my risk so I don't actually lose money, because I don't want to sit on the computer every single day for hours, hyper-focused and emotionally invested into the market. I'd rather just put it in, wait a couple days, and take my profits. So how I do that is by setting up buy-in orders, pretty much finding the proper times to buy in. These are the tops, and we discussed that above $1.30 would basically be breaking above resistance, and we'd be capitalizing on the run to the upside. So that continues on to today. What we're looking for is we have a price floor and we have a price ceiling, and honestly, the best time to be buying in is within the sideways channel is breaking the barrier. We've been floating sideways, not seeing any volume, not trading in any great direction, and this is ultimately going to break in some sort of way. So we've discussed that in case of a bearish breakdown, and we actually close the daily below $1.05, close closer to maybe $1 even, we'd buy in for a short continue, or considering that we would see a B to C formation here where prices would drop probably down to 70 cents if prices close below here. Since then, we've been trading sideways, flatlined out for days now on this bottom support level. So we're seeing whether or not we break through here, then we'll buy in for that short. We also discussed how the top resistance level at $1.30 is a clear price ceiling, and if prices can, gain some momentum and gain some volume to retest this top here, and we can close the daily above that level, we should be able to swing long. We'll buy in and leverage to the upside. Very simple and easy. But it's basically just coming down to how long is this going to take. We need this to play out, and then we'll buy in and leverage it in some sort of direction. But this carries on to pretty much all the cryptocurrencies here. Ethereum seeing the same sort of consolidation pattern, although XRP seems to be a little more, dampened down than these other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum looks pretty good as long as it can stay above its support level at like 33 and we stay inside this ascending fractal here. Things pretty much are looking to the upside for Ethereum, but it's trading at 50 on the RSI. Even the moving averages look okay, pretty much continuing this pattern here. Bitcoin as well, trading sideways for the most part, kind of bounced off its bottom support, unlike XRP, which is pretty much hugging its support level right here. Bitcoin still has the potential to break through its resistances and actually shoot to the upside here. And then the Elliott wave, completing itself right here. So what we're looking for is the last point of contact here. We're looking for it to touch down. B to C is what we're looking for to confirm it. And you can see we're currently hitting top resistances on the downtrend. It's actually resisting the price level, and we're battling that out right now. But if we can also break through the middle average on our Bollinger Bands and actually swing back up to the top resistance, if we can close the daily above 50K, we can buy in and leverage this to the upside. But it seems like it's just not going to happen right now. Also, if we break through bottom support at 4,400, we can short this down to B to C. So you can see kind of the same general direction. All these cryptocurrencies are literally intertwined in sideways channels. I don't want to go on much longer, but you can see for the most part, they're in sideways channels here. Solana is the only coin that's pretty much on an uptrend. So Ethereum is in a ascending fractal here. Solana's in an ascending fractal. It's uptrend here. It actually bounced off very nicely off its middle Bollinger Band right here, that average. So we're looking for the same thing to pretty much take over most of these cryptocurrencies here. Otherwise, that's pretty much going to wrap up majority of the video. Hopefully this is the bottom for the S&P 500 and we can reverse out of that in the near future. But I do want to talk about HoldX really quickly with you guys. So guys, I want to talk about HoldX. HoldX Finance is an innovative technology project in the field of fintech and DeFi, and the main task of which is to create a transparent and decentralized platform for highly profitable and secure investments in cryptocurrencies. So, thanks to their automated solutions and unique developments, the project team manages to minimize the risk and the number of user error. The result is that crypto investors get even more profits. Now, HoldX Finance is a decentralized automated market maker with unique token distribution design and farming benefits. That means you can make transactions on the platform and investment processes that are automated using the HAPY scanner and the HATB bot, which I'll explain what those means in a second. But these solutions are unique and the idea of them belongs entirely to the HoldX team. Now, they aim to be completely transparent, ultra safe, earn guaranteed and low risk decentralized finance center for investors in digital currencies. And you'll also be able to trade with swap on their platform as well. Now, what's also cool is you'll be able to earn interest with yield farming, staking, and private investment pools. You'll be able to automate your investment processes with their HoldX annual percentage yield scanner and their HoldX auto trading bot applications, which is what I wanted to explain earlier. So they are here to change the traditional understanding of finance that is open to inflation and manipulation. Now, the HoldX Finance project not only changes the lives of regular crypto investors, it transforms a fundamental approach to the investment market and offers original digital solutions to the main problems in this field. So guys, I want to show you how to buy the HoldX token while I tell you a little bit about their tokenomics. So HoldX has a total fixed supply of 100 million tokens, and a maximum of 10 million HoldX tokens will be circulated in the initial exchange listing. Currently, coins with the same circulation amount in the market are usually sold in the range of $75 to $300, but HoldX's initial listing price will be a minimum of $1. Most projects make their investors advisors suffer by selling all the coins they have as, what we know as a rug pull, but they will lock their coins allocated to the team to unlock 10% every single quarter, and it's pretty transparent. Now, the team will get associated 10 million tokens. The platform development will get 10 million. The private sale will have 5 million. The exchange listing will have 5 million. Rewards will have 5 mil. Advisors 5 mil. Marketing 5 mil. And the ICO 5 mil. Otherwise, guys, definitely make sure to check out HoldX in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.